Wanted to kind of go back into the top things that you've learned, like surprising things that you've learned based on your experience with switching into the carnivore diet. And tell me about that.
Yeah, well, one of the most surprising things I learned is that you could live exclusively off of animal foods, right? I mean, I would have never thought that. First of all, I went through a period of time thinking that animal foods weren't necessary. I was quickly smacked with the reality that animal foods are absolutely necessary for human health, for longevity. And if you do want to live off of your own land, you're going to have to produce animal foods. So I just didn't realize that they could be lived off of exclusively. And what surprised me even more is that there are so many people who have taken back their health and reversed serious autoimmune conditions. We're talking rheumatoid arthritis, Crohn's, IBS, really serious digestive issues, and inflammatory disorders that people have completely reversed and taken back their health through the modality of eating not just a lot of animal foods, but many of them exclusively animal foods. So things like oxalates, many of us have very, very high sensitivity to. A lot of people are consuming foods that they don't realize they're actually allergic to. So what we find is that animal foods are not only essential, but you can thrive and live off of only animal foods. Now, I don't think everybody needs to do this. I think it's a fantastic way to lose body fat. It's a fantastic way to lose inflammation, to decrease your inflammation, and to set up a foundation of good dietary habits that you could always rely on to keep you healthy, to keep you thriving, and you can add and subtract from there. So a lot of people, they go, very low oxalate, and they'll go on more of like a ketogenic diet where they'll still include some plants in abundance that they can digest and enjoy. Some people find that they don't digest those plants well at all, right? And a lot of the people that I deal with as clients, first of all, there are a lot of people who are trying to lose weight, right? People who are trying to lose like 100 pounds. Right? You can lose 100 pounds very quickly and very efficiently and maintain that fat loss if you set up a good foundation of habits, right? But then we also work with a lot of people who are coming from serious autoimmune conditions, right? People who have digestive disorders, major inflammatory disease, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, brain fog, depression, which depression is intimately linked with our gut health, right? Inflammation in our gut can create inflammation in the brain. We have this gut-brain axis that's constantly communicating. The gut and the brain are intimately intertwined and interconnected. And a lot of these people are getting great relief from using a more carnivorous approach or even a ketogenic approach that's primarily focused on animal foods. So we get a wide range of people coming to us for help with their diets, with their lifestyle. And I find that an animal-based diet is so beneficial for so many people. And it's just, I'm dumbfounded by how many people have benefited from this and the magnitude with which it's affected their lives, not just their physical health, but also mental health. So to me, that was very surprising. I would have never thought that I would see this, but it's astounding.